Aidan. I'm going to be interviewing you about your general day-to-day life and well-being. So how organised are you in your daily routine?
I feel like I'm really organised as I'm trying to finish something before I start another thing.
And what is that average routine that you like to do every day?
So my average routine is just basically waking up in the morning, going to the bathroom, getting ready for work or uni, coming back home, trying to tidy the bedroom, and just making dinner and getting to bed really.
What is your favourite meal to cook?
My favourite meal to cook, I must say, is probably carbonara. Just quick, simple and easy.
How do you like to end your day? How do you chill out?
So the way I like to end my day is normally put a film on Netflix or play my Xbox, have some popcorn or chocolate, just some snacks, and go to sleep at around 2 a.m.
Is there any tips you've got for people who struggle to wake up in the morning?
Set an alarm every 5 minutes. That's what I do, I struggle.
What are your favourite things to eat during the day?
Favorite things to eat. I don't really tend to eat during the day. I tend to normally eat like in the evening when I'm back home. But if I do eat, it's normally like snacks. Um, or if I'm at uni, I normally just get like a bowl of chips or something. But it's not really. It doesn't. It's not really healthy. But it tends to be more snacks than actual meals.
What are the things you hate most during the day?
Probably getting to work and to uni because it's having to deal with a lot of traffic and road rage and yeah, mainly the transport.